What is going on, my fellow YouTubers, watchers, all that good stuff? Hope y'all doing good. Your boy's back with another video. This video is going to be Operation Rescue a Bitch. The bitch is a truck, so we got to rescue her. But long story short, y'all, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be getting the truck towed from the storage lot, bringing it back to the house in the driveway. I'm meeting up with the tow truck driver right now, going out here to where my truck's at on East Miramar. We're bringing it back to the house, so that way we can start prepping the motor to get pulled. Straighten y'all out. We can prep the motor to get pulled, all that good stuff, because we're creeping up on it. Probably within a month, we're going to be swapping the motors out. Everything is at the machine shop now. I dropped off all the parts, the rebuild kit, the pistons, everything's there, so they can build the short block. The only thing that's not there is the head, which I need the truck in my driveway so I can take the head off. Also, I kind of wanted y'all to be with the ride, or be with me when I get the truck. I can't talk, goddamn. Be with me when I get the truck, because this is the first time since I dropped the truck off there back in April that I'm actually looking at the truck. I have not opened the doors, looked inside. This is the same spot where I left my car when I was deployed, and mice got in there and they had a fucking orgy field day. I mean, there was mice shit, piss everywhere inside my car. I had to take the seats out, shampoo it. Like, it was a nightmare. I'm positive that the same thing did not happen to my truck. So we got to get the truck out of there, man, because it just can't be there no more, man. So I'm expecting at least a couple mouse nests or mice nests. Hopefully nothing crazy, but whatever. It's just the interior. I just don't want them on the inside, man, because I take pride in like the interior of my truck. So we're going to find out when we get there. You guys are going to be there with me for the experience. Hopefully everything goes smooth. But yeah, so we're going there right now. I'm meeting up with the tow truck driver. He's having a hard time trying to find the location. I don't know why, but it is what it is. And we'll go from there once we get to the lot and all that stuff. So we got the tow truck here. And there she is. All right, y'all. So we got the truck loaded up. It's on the thing. My man over here doing God's work, getting the truck up. This thing was so wide for this truck.
Don't stay behind.
Look, he had to put the tires on the side of the rails, man. But on a good note, though, there's no rats in the car. And the batteries were dead. I don't know how. They're brand new, and I disconnected them, but they were still dead.
What you can do is, wherever you bought them from,
take it back.
tell them it's not working.
Get some new ones. That's what I'm gonna do. I got them from.
Tell them the car broke down.
No. I got them from Walmart. That's why you get Walmart batteries, baby. Yeah. I bought these in January. They dead. I'm gonna take them back, get some money. Oh yeah. Well, step one is happening, y'all. One step closer to getting this pig running again. I popped the hood and the engine bay. Everything looked normal in there. Dusty. Everything's just super dusty. Yeah, you gotta have it tight. My man over here hooking it up right now. And then we'll get this in the driveway, let it down, and we'll take it from there. I will show y'all the inside, but it's up on the truck right now, so. Okay. My man got this thing chained up. He ain't playing around. Well, guys, we got the truck behind us. We're heading back to the house. We're gonna get it in the driveway. My man came through clutch because they basically, I told them the year, make, and model of my truck, but I guess they didn't send out the right truck, but he made it work with his truck, so the dude definitely knows what he's doing. Weird shout out, or weird thing to talk about, but you guys, if you don't have AAA, or if you don't have roadside assistance with your insurance company, I highly recommend looking into it. You know, you don't need it until you need it, but when you need it, god damn it, does it pay for itself? Because long story short, my truck, all my vehicles have roadside insurance, except the dually. Don't know how or why, because it's only like 10-15 bucks a month, but it didn't have it. So today I called Geico, my insurance company, was like, hey, I need to get a tow, and they're like, oh, you don't have that coverage option. Well, this was yesterday, I tried, and then I was like, okay, add it. So I added it, and then today they still couldn't do it. So long story short, I'm coming out of pocket to get my truck towed 5 miles from East Miramar to Miramar. $325 later. And from what he was telling me, the right truck didn't even come out because of the size of the truck. They had to send a wide flatbed, and that starts off at 500, and it goes from there. So I don't know, man. But long story short, if you got that, make sure you have some roadside insurance, tow insurance, whatever it is. That way you don't have to fork out a bunch of money. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know about you, but I hate spending unnecessary money. But sometimes you do what you got to do. So we'll get back to the house, drop the truck off. Once the truck's dropped off, we'll kind of do an assessment over the truck, check on it, look at it. So far, I'm extremely happy because the inside is mint, meaning I cleaned it before I stored it, and I opened the door. So far, no mouse pellets, no pee, poop. Like, it looks good. Compared to my Impala, it looks real good. So I'll give you guys a show around. The outside of the truck is super filthy though, which is random, but it is extremely dirty. Oh wait, I gotta wait for the driver, I forgot. Well, she's back in all her glory. And she is filthy, bro. Like, or boys, gals, I can't lie. She dirty. Everything though is intact. Look clean, man. So I was just happy about this. Happy that the mice didn't get in here and have a field day, y'all. Because I'm here to tell you, if it's like what my Impala was, I was gonna cry. Like, I was worried they were gonna chew up the seats, the headliner, pee, poop everywhere. But everything looks exactly the way it looked when I dropped it off in the lot. So just a little dusty in here. But yeah, man, check her out. Batteries are dead. So what we gonna do is we're gonna take the batteries out. We're gonna take them to Walmart, get them swapped out, because Wally World, they don't fuck around with their batteries because they don't ask no questions. And I just bought those in January, so I'm gonna take them straight back, swap them out. They got the 4-year, 3-year warranty on them, so get some fresh batteries in her, at least to where she has electrical power. Man, everything just looks good. I put a bunch of air fresheners in here before I left. Oh yeah. And then also, I don't think I showed y'all, but I bought these Longhorn Laramie mats off of eBay before I left. I deployed. I bought these off eBay. Some dude was selling them for like $250 because my truck never came with them. I think these are the 5th gen ones though, but they look damn near similar to the 4th gen ones. I don't know, but I got these in here. I forgot to show y'all that. We back in business, baby. Let's go. Yes, Lord. Yeah, see, I think these ones are 4th gen ones, and then the ones in the back, I think those are. Damn, that's metal. Holy shit. It's a buckle. The ones in the back are a 5th Gen 1. First order of business. Y'all know I can't have a dirty truck. So we're gonna be giving her a bath. Not today, because I got some soap coming in. I ordered online. CarPro. What is it? The acid wash. Because this truck is still, it should be, hopefully, still be ceramic coated. So we're gonna clean her up whenever that comes in. I gotta get a new pressure washer because mine took a shit on me. So look at that. I stuffed dryer sheets in the tailpipe because apparently mice don't like that. Everything still looks kosher back there at the bank's diff cover. You know what I'm saying? So we do what we do. I got the wheel liner inside the garage because we were working on the truck before the motor blew up when we swapped the 2nd gen, put the turbo on. So a lot of work to do, but we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna yank these batteries out, get them in the car, and we're gonna go to Walmart, take a little trip. Let y'all see the engine bay real quick. A lot of work was done, man. I'm telling y'all, if y'all haven't seen the videos, go back and check it out. I did a lot of shit, man. What's cool is when we swapped the motor, there's a lot of brand new stuff on here, right? Injector lines, those are new. Did the grid heater delete. There's a random ass chicken bone right there. Y'all see that? I don't know what the heck that is. That's the only thing I found in this truck so far. It's like a chicken bone or, I don't know, a mouse bone or something. Don't know how that got in there. But we did the mechanical fan clutch conversion kit. Didn't even get to use that really because the motor killed itself. We do have, I don't know if y'all remember, but we do have a new intercooler pipe, hot side pipe, 2-piece, because we had the issue where this one was hitting. It was hitting the alternator lead whenever you want to focus. So my boy over at Point Zero Fab went ahead and sent out his updated style one. That is who I got the 2nd gen kit set up from. So if anybody's curious, it's Point Zero Fab. Everything's super dusty and dirty right now, so presentation's not A1 yet, but this is what we're working with. All right, I'm gonna get the batteries out and then we're gonna go from there. Oh man. All right, you guys. So obviously I'm getting the truck like I'm about to start it. Not gonna start it because obviously it doesn't run, but I'm going to, my camera zooming all the way? Oh yeah, it is. But I'm gonna turn on the accessories. It's something. So I swapped the batteries out. We got brand new fresh Walmart batteries in there. Keys there. Hit the button. She still works like a regular truck. And obviously that's all I'm gonna get out of it. So I could turn on. Let's see if the fuel pump comes on. Oh yeah. Well, I don't want to prime that too much because whatchamacallit, doesn't matter. Oh, it looks like my Sirius XM expired. Thought I had 5 years. Maybe I have to reprogram it. Don't matter though. We got something for this, y'all. So let me close the door real quick. So this, I'm gonna be, so hear me out, y'all. So even though the truck's not running, I can still do mods on it, right? So for example, we got the cab lights for the roof from Boost Auto. I'm gonna be throwing those on hopefully this weekend or like, you know, sometime soon. We have a new radio. Mint is mint. Let's see if the Starlight headliner still work. Ooh, let y'all get a look at that. Yeah, boy. Y'all forgot we did that, huh? Yeah. Batteries back in business. Oh my God, that looks disgusting. So, first order of business, I mean, the window, man. Yo, this thing is disgusting. I'm sorry, I have to say this, like, you look at the windshield and stuff, like all that dirt and shit. I had to wind this window down. So, probably scratched the shit up with rocks, but whatever. Getting this cleaned up is my first order of business because I can't work on a filthy truck. Like, I just can't, man. My OCD and just me being me is going to bother me. So, I'm extremely excited, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. seeing the truck in the driveway, it like gives me hope. It gives me like life, right? Because when the truck broke in January, I had put it in a parking lot somewhere else. It was out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. And then when I put it on the other storage lot, same thing, out of sight, out of mind, right? So not see it, but seeing it in the driveway, knowing that like it needs to get fixed, like that just like it like lit an internal fire for me to get this thing running good. Which we will be. We will be. I mean, I did contemplate selling it once I fixed it, but looking back now, man, I done been through hell with this truck. You know, it got a built transmission in it now because the trans went out. About to have a built motor in it because the motor went out, right? So me and this truck, I haven't drove it a lot, man, since I've owned this truck. I bought this truck in 2021, and I think I bought it with 161 or 63,000 miles, and right now it's at 167. So didn't in almost 4 years. Well, yeah, 3 years now because I bought it December 21. Yeah, 3 years of owning it. I've only put 6,000 miles on this truck, which goes to tell you like things have happened every year. Something has happened to where it kept me down between that and just being gone from work, being deployed, all that stuff, right? But I am determined to get this truck to the vision I had for it when I first bought it, right? It's life, man. It's time. You know, when I had the white third gen, that truck gave me no issues. Like, that's what made me fall in love with the Ram, Dodge Ram, Cummins. Like, that's what made me fall in love with these trucks, was my third gen, because I did all sorts of weird shit to that truck, and she just took it, bro. She just took it and ran. I think that truck left me stranded once, and that was because I put a cheap Chinese track bar on the truck and it broke. Besides that, that truck was a ripper. This truck, though, got a little bit more detailed history with it, but nonetheless, we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right. Turn this off before I forget, so I don't accidentally kill the battery. So yeah, you guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. I do have a new camera, not this one. I have two now. I still got this one, but I also got a new camera. It's like a Osmosos. It has a gimbal, all that stuff on it. So hopefully my edits, like when I do the little scenic scenes and stuff, hopefully it looks better than before. So we'll go from there, man. Let me know what y'all think. Appreciate y'all for joining, watching the video, all that good stuff. Until next time, y'all stay tuned, be safe, all that good stuff. And we'll be in touch, y'all.